Hi friends, remember when we put a pine cone in the water to see what would happen? So we're checking back to see the results. Did anybody make a prediction of what could happen? It was really wide open. And let's check in. The pine cone closed completely back. Look at that. There's just a couple ones that are still open, but the majority, that means the most of them, are closed back up. I wonder what would happen if we left it out with no water and see what happens. Try that at home and see if it opens back up or stays closed. Another fun project you can do with a pine cone is get some peanut butter or butter and spread it all over a pine cone. Go to the store and pick up some birdseed, tie a ribbon, and hang it on a tree. See what happens. See if the birds come, if they enjoy it. Have fun. Bye, friends.